If we take a look at this, we can see that mushrooms have these fluffy umbrella-like structures that look like caps with stalks. They often grow in moist soil or wet wooden logs during the rainy season. Also, they stay in one place for their entire lives. Mushrooms do not have chlorophyll and thus they are not green. And without chlorophyll, they obviously cannot perform photosynthesis. So we can say that since mushrooms can't prepare their own food, they can't be considered plants. What exactly are they? Well, mushrooms belong to a special category of organisms known as fungi. Fungi are heterotrophs that depend on other organisms for food. They obtain their nutrients from different sources. The mushrooms that we eat and the yeast that we use for baking are some examples of fungi. You see, there are fungal spores present all around us. But where did they come from? Fungal spores are tiny particles that help fungi to reproduce. In fact, we can clearly see this in some videos of mushrooms. The powdery substance being released is the spores. So in the case of our bread here, the fungal spores from the surroundings settle down on the moist bread. You see, the bread started decaying as soon as it came in contact with moisture or water. So, the fungal spores germinated and grew on the bread by absorbing nutrients from the decaying bread. This mode of nutrition, in which organisms absorb nutrients from dead and decaying matter, is called the saprotrophic mode of nutrition. And the organisms that follow this mode of nutrition are called saprotrophs. And fungi are saprotrophs.